how do you make gardening a zero waste activity?
I start from seed. Um, Almost all of my things. Here I have trellises that we made out of bamboo, and again, the sustainable metal posts that I can move from one bed to another. I happen to have four large beds in this section of my garden, which are about 5 feet wide and about maybe 30 or I don't even know. They're pretty big. So I do have a lot, and I've had those forever. Bamboo doesn't really go. I mean, it doesn't rot very quickly, and it's very sustainable because bamboo is just, yeah, very easy. So I start from seeds, and oh, one of the things that I do is I grow here. I have peppers and tomatoes. I have Marzano aroma. I have flowers always in the middle. I have basil that grows in the middle. Everything that I grow, I am saving, processing, making sauces. So whether it's spaghetti, pasta sauce, salsas in Spanish, which is sauce, right? Um, the
Mhm.
same word. But I freeze that stuff. I make it and I freeze it in glass jars. Um, and I have it all year long, and keep my fingers crossed that I don't have to buy one because my family's like, "Oh, you had to buy sauce? It's terrible." And we get a little spoiled. We get spoiled. I also have fruit trees, so apricot trees and things, and I have strawberries. So I save everything, and I make jams, um, and just a simple sauce. You know, whatever we have, we're eating, and so it's a blessing. Yeah. Well, here's a picture of my. We've since moved it. Uh, this is I saved rainwater, and we're actually moving it to the front of our house. Um, so that's getting it's this is a repurposed uh, container. It was my husband got it in Central Valley. It was free, and so he built between him and my older son built a stand for it, and we repositioned the water so it'll drain right into there in the rainy season, and I just get to plant some things that I don't feel too bad about watering because it's getting the old rainwater.